Willow Lake Condo on the water. Beautifully updated with neutral decor throughout. Spacious floor plan includes great room, formal dining, den, eat-in kitchen, 2 bedrooms, enclosed back patio, and flex room off primary bedroom. Kitchen remodel in 2017 features granite counters / backsplash, cabinets with pull-out drawers, pantry closet, and tile flooring. Great room and dining area share corner gas fireplace. Engineered hardwood flooring in hall, bathrooms, and laundry room. All appliances stay including washer / dryer. Extras include crown molding, plantation blinds / shutters, marble windowsills, and garage keyless entry. New garage door and opener 2020. New sliding patio doors with interior blinds 2020. New gas water heater and gas furnace and central air 2015. Great view of the pond and fountain from then enclosed patio or open patio. Enjoy the use of the pool, pond, clubhouse, library, and exercise room. Monthly association dues $225.